Imagine this. You earn money, but at the end of every month, it disappears, gone in bills, subscriptions, and impulsive purchases. You wonder, why can't I save money fast? Well, the answer may surprise you. And today, we're going to learn it from one of the greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett. Buffett isn't just a billionaire, he's a legend. His secret isn't only in investing, it's in saving, controlling spending, and avoiding habits that destroy wealth. Apply just a few of his principles, and you can start saving fast and building financial freedom today. Warren Buffett's early lessons on money. Let's go back in time. Warren Buffett bought his first stock at the age of 11. Yes, 11 years old. He didn't just invest, he learned how money works. His first lesson? Save before you spend. Buffett's parents weren't rich, but they instilled the value of money in him. By working small jobs, selling gum, delivering newspapers, Buffett learned to earn, save, and make wise financial decisions early. He avoided unnecessary expenses. He prioritized saving over instant gratification. He understood that the earlier you start, the faster your money grows. Even today, Buffett lives modestly, driving his own car and living in the same house he bought decades ago. His wealth didn't come from flashy spending, it came from smart saving and disciplined investing. The biggest money mistakes that stop you from saving fast. Before we talk about how to save like Buffett, let's first identify what's holding most people back. Buffett's first big savings decision. When Buffett was 16, he earned $175 a month. Instead of spending it, he saved and invested. While his friends bought gadgets, Buffett bought stock. That small, disciplined choice became the foundation of his empire. Lesson: you don't need to earn a fortune to start saving. Even small, consistent amounts grow into something extraordinary. Buffett's simple rules to save money fast. How can you start saving fast like Warren Buffett? Here are key principles. Pay yourself first. Treat savings like a bill. Pay it before spending. Avoid unnecessary luxuries. Buffett lives simply and avoids things without real value. Live below your means. The gap between income and expenses fuels savings. Automate savings. Set automatic transfers to make saving effortless. Invest wisely. Buffett doesn't gamble. He invests in value and lets money work for him. The cost of ignoring these habits. There's a story of a young professional named Alex. He earned well, but spent without thinking. Subscriptions, gadgets, takeouts. When an emergency hit, he had nothing. His friend Sam, who saved consistently, had a safety net. Lesson: every dollar you waste today is a dollar that could have worked for you tomorrow. Small changes that lead to big savings. The beauty of Buffett's philosophy is that small changes make a huge difference over time. Story: Buffett versus high spenders. Many lottery winners go broke within years. Buffett did the opposite. He invested and saved consistently. Imagine earning $50,000 a year. Save 20%, that's $10,000. Invested at 10% annual growth, and in 30 years it becomes over $1 million. Consistent saving beats temporary thrills every time. The psychology of saving. Saving is as much psychological as financial. Buffett calls it emotional discipline. He once said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." It's about controlling desires, prioritizing long-term goals, and being patient. Action plan: start today. You don't need $1 million to start. You just need to start. Here's how. Track your expenses. Set a savings goal, 10 to 20% of your income. Automate your savings. Cut one unnecessary habit today. Warren Buffett didn't become a billionaire overnight. He built wealth through small, consistent choices. Saving first, spending wisely, investing intelligently. Stop what's destroying your savings today. Pay yourself first. Be disciplined. Be patient. Because when you do, you won't just save money. You'll unlock freedom, security, and peace of mind. Remember, it's not how much you earn, it's how much you save and how wisely you grow it. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below, what's the first spending habit you'll stop today to start saving faster? Let's build a generation that saves smart and lives free, just like Warren Buffett.